The Mercedes-AMG EQS 53 4MATIC Plus is the performance segment's first all-electric ambassador, built in Alfilterbach. It is designed specifically for automobile aficionados who want to combine modern electric mobility with a sumptuous interior, as well as sportiness and nimble driving dynamics. The EQS 53 exemplifies Mercedes-Benz commitment to electrification across the board. The EQS 53 4MATIC Plus transforms electric driving with a new, profoundly thunderous sound. Its sound technology combines unique speakers, a bass actuator, and a sound generator to generate two distinct sound experiences: authentic and performance. Permanently excited synchronous motors, PSM, power the AMG electric motors at the front and back axles. Furthermore, Mercedes-AMG electric motors have an ideal blend of increased power, efficiency, and noise comfort. This allows for higher rotational speeds and hence more power, setting new benchmarks in acceleration and top speed, among other areas. The thermal idea is extremely durable, allowing for repeated acceleration movements with great performance. The so-called water lance in the rotor shaft, which cools it, is the focal point of the clever design. Special ribs on the stator, and a needle-shaped pin-fin structure made of high-performance ceramics on the inverter are two more AMG-specific cooling features. Recuperation power of up to 300 kilowatts is available. The Eco Assistant provides situational support and lets the driver control the extent of recovery using steering wheel switches on 3 levels. Combined braking can be used until the vehicle comes to a complete stop. The Mercedes-AMG 53 4MATIC Plus is equipped with a powerful 400-volt lithium-ion battery. The optimum active material has an 8:1:1 ratio of nickel, cobalt, and manganese. 107.8 kilowatts of usable energy is contained in the high-voltage battery. AMG-specific wiring, which is tailored to the high-performance capacity, is one of the unique technical features. Power for up to 300 kilometers can be filled up in less than 19 minutes. The electrified AMG may be charged at home or at public charging stations with up to 22 kilowatts of alternating current. Bidirectional charging will also be available. The Eco charging option minimizes the battery load during charging, slowing the battery's natural aging process. Customers can also take advantage of the charge interruption capability, allowing the charging process to be interrupted at freely selectable times. The electro-specific system provides a substantially faster response than a mechanical all-wheel drive system. The torque is measured 160 times per second and adjusted as needed. The torque distribution is determined by the driving mode selected. In comfort, the focus is on optimal efficiency, whereas in Sport and Sport Plus, the torque is more rear-biased for greater lateral motion. Tires. The Mercedes-AMG and Michelin development teams customized the Michelin Pilot Sport EV, which is exclusively built for sports vehicles with an electric motor. The profile and rubber mix are designed to withstand high torque and powerful acceleration forces while ensuring long life. The tires coveted A label for their low rolling resistance and excellent wet adhesion properties. A polyurethane foam inserted into the tires reduces driving noise significantly. The AMG Ride Control Plus suspension is an air suspension system with adaptive, electronically controlled adjustable damping and rear axle steering as standard. 2 pressure relief valves are used in the EQS 53 4MATIC Plus's basic air suspension. These allow the dampening force to be more accurately adjusted to different driving conditions and modes. One valve regulates the rebound damping, while the other regulates the compression damping. The stages of rebound and compression are controlled independently of one another. This technology allows for greater comfort on the one hand and sportier on the other. The steering angle of up to 9 degrees improves the agility. The turning circle measures 11.5 meters, which is a compact class level. At speeds less than 60 kilometers an hour, the rear wheels steer in the opposite direction as the front wheels. When traveling at speeds greater than 60 kilometers an hour, the rear wheels steer in the same direction as the front wheels, resulting in a nearly expanded wheelbase that improves handling stability and driving safety at high speeds, as well as during fast lane changes or sudden evasive maneuvers. The 5 AMG Dynamic Select driving modes are Slippery, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Individual. The front braking system features 6 piston calipers and brake discs measuring 415 by 33 mm, while the rear brake system features single piston calipers and brake discs measuring 378 by 22 mm. At the front, the optional AMG ceramic high-performance composite brake system employs bigger brake discs measuring 440 by 40 mm. The added eye booster function is another high-tech feature. Exterior. The front apron, which is coated in high-gloss black and has chrome trim, contrasts with the characteristic AMG A-wing design. From 0.23, a very good wind resistance value is obtained. The last aerodynamic touch guarantees optimal efficiency. The air curtain effect concentrates the airflow and sends it ahead of the front wheels at high speed, which helps the vehicle's efficiency. The front wheels are thus aerodynamically protected, which reduces air resistance and hence increases working range. Interior. Individual designs on AMG seats and custom seat covers in Artico man-made leather with microcut, microfiber, and red contrasting top stitching. The door center panels, as well as the transition from the center console to the dashboard, are all black. AMG Performance steering wheel with Napa leather with the flattened bottom section, perforated in the grip region, and silver-colored aluminum paddles for setting different recuperation settings, in addition to regular AMG steering wheel buttons. AMG racing pedals. MBUX Hyperscreen is installed. This huge, curving screen runs from A-pillar to A-pillar. 3 screens appear to blend into one under a glass cover. MBUX adapts to its user and provides customized suggestions for multiple infotainments, comfort, and vehicle functions via adaptive software. The driving dynamics deliver on what the sound promises. If the temperature and level of charge are adequate, the maximum power and torque for race start can be quickly raised. In this example, the Mercedes-AMG 53 4MATIC Plus accelerates from 0 to 100 km an hour in 3.4 seconds. There have been numerous improvements in additional features in the Mercedes-Me app. These include a filter option for sorting charging sites based on parameters such as availability or charging capacity. The app now reveals how busy the relevant charging station will likely be during the day. For everyday use, there is a separate multi-level safety system. Temperature, voltage, and insulation monitoring are examples of continuing monitoring safety systems. When a malfunction occurs, the battery is turned off. Crash monitoring is also typical when stationary.